it's Kayla here, and today I'm going to be making mashed potato baking bombs. Let's go. You're going to need bacon, which I've already thawed. You're going to need 1 slice per bomb, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of dried breadcrumbs. I wasn't sure what kind to get. I got this kind. It's cheaper and looks like it might be healthier for you. You'll need chunks of cheddar cheese. You can buy it like this, 1 per bomb. Salt and pepper to taste. Toothpicks or skewers. Oil for frying. There you go. And sour cream. And it also says you need 2 cups of chilled mashed potatoes. I have to cook these. I was trying to find some that were already cooked so I didn't have to cook any, but I couldn't find any like that. So I'm gonna cook these bad boys on the stove real quick. I cannot open this. Oh Lord. I guess I'll cook all of them. Now I need to wait for them to cook, and then I need to chill them in the freezer for a few minutes. Then we can get started. I'm gonna wash some clothes while I'm doing this. I just spilled water all over the floor. Dude, how do I do this? Should I add butter to these potatoes? Yeah, I'm gonna add butter. Oh yeah, it looks great. I got it in my nails. Oh. Smooth like butter. I don't know what that is. Ew. I should have cooked these potatoes like yesterday, so they could have chilled overnight in the fridge. These potatoes are about to take forever to cool off. Alright, in the freezer we go. I am going to just watch some Netflix for about an hour and then come back and get the potatoes, and then we will craft our explosive mashed potato bombs. I have chilled my taters. Wait. Yeah. That didn't take but what, like 25 minutes or even 30 minutes for it to chill. Let's get started. You're going to want to combine your potatoes, your egg, and your salt and pepper and mix it until it's very well blended. Wait, does it need to be raw? The instructions are not very clear on what to do with the egg. I'm gonna end up frying the whole thing anyways, so the egg should cook then, right? Potato, egg, salt and pepper. I'm so excited. I want to think the egg is for sticking better, maybe. I'm going to prepare a little bowl of breadcrumbs. I have no idea how many to use, so well, I say I have no idea, but the directions say 1/2 cup of dried breadcrumbs. That'd be okay. My nails. Good. You're gonna take a chunk of cheese and you're gonna scoop potatoes around it. Oh boy. I think the potatoes are way too creamy. So the potatoes around. I think I should have chilled the potatoes longer. Is it too late? I'm sad. I'm gonna go for it. Alright, so after you wrap the potatoes around the chunk of cheese, what you want to do is roll that around in your breadcrumbs until it's evenly covered in breadcrumbs. I need a spoon. There we go. Dang, that's a mess. Ah! Okay, try this again. So I have potatoes. I wrap the potatoes around the chunk of cheese and I'll put it in the breadcrumbs. Roll it around in there. Swoop, whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, I think that's perfect. Well, not perfect, but it's staying together. Oh, I should have already done my oil. Dang it. Okay, this is okay. I gotta use this for my oil, so I need to get potatoes out of it. Oh wait, no, I gotta use that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this for my oil. My oil is be all leaky and weird, so I gotta put it in bags. Oh, what's that? Canola oil. Ah, vegetable oil. It'll be okay. 2 inches of hot oil. It's like 3 inches or 4. I wanted to make sure it covered the whole thing. You know what I mean? Alright, so I have my oil on the stove heating up. Now I gotta wait for that. I really didn't think this through, did I? I'm excited. Woo, that's great. I guess I can go ahead and roll around some more cheese chunks into the potatoes and breadcrumbs and get them ready to fry. Let's do it. You're gonna want to lay out paper towels, or in my case napkins, on a plate so the grease will drain out of these when you take them out of the oil. Uh-oh, it's falling apart. Why did that one fall apart? I wanna cry. It's not working. I think I know what I must do. I need to chill the potatoes even longer. I was just ready to cook them, bro. Well, I'll be back. Oh! I'm sitting here eating it and I forgot there's raw egg. Damn, this one turned out okay. This one's falling apart. That's why I had to chill potatoes a little longer. We should hurry up. Oh my gosh. I'm so stupid. This is why you read the directions. Before you put the toothpicks in it, you need to wrap bacon around it. What's wrong with me? I'm gonna take the toothpicks out. Please don't fall apart. I'm gonna whip out my raw bacon. Okay, got my bacon open and ready to roll. Roll around the potato bombs. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get the potatoes out. I'm ready to cook. I reckon my oil's hot. It's not boiling, but I have it on high heat. So I chilled these bad boys a little longer. I'm trying my best. I am. I think I need to use my hands for this. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna just keep doing that and then put bacon around it. Y'all, I was so unsure about this, but once you wrap bacon around it, it holds it together just fine. And then you stick it in here after you secure it with a toothpick, and it'll look. That was fast. Oh my god, it's so cute. No, it looks done to me. OMG. And it is beautiful. Look at the cheese. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. Like I said, it needs to drain, so let the grain grease. Let the grain grease. Let the grease drain. I just told you what I did, but I'm gonna show you. Take one slice of bacon, even if it's like totally falling apart, this bacon is gonna totally hold it together. Look, you just wrap bacon around it. And you stick a pick in that sucker. Yep. And then you just... Oh, shit. Ah, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Ew, got a hair in Sorry, I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect, and I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Dang, this is a whole mess right here. Okay, you know how I said it was easy? I think where I've messed up is I didn't let the potatoes chill long enough. But, oh my god, it shouldn't be this hard. I'm making a whole mess. Help me. I might need 2 pieces of bacon for this, to be honest. That'd be okay too, right? Can't never have too much bacon. I hate when I get food in my nails. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat down. It's freaking me out, man. It's freaking me out. There we go. I'll try to use a fork. It looks nice.
I believe I can fly.
This is so freaking cool. Oh, shit. Toxic mushroom. Ow, that hurt my face, bro. I am no friend of grease, okay? We only have 2 pieces of bacon left. Oh no. This is a roller coaster. I'm going through mixed emotions doing this. Disappointment, pride, fear, sadness, and joy. Here we have the end product. There's some sour cream for dipping. That's so good, oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.